Very good morning, children. In the previous class, we discussed about the natural types of indicators. In that, I explained you about the litmus paper, so in which form it is available and how it is going to tell us the given substances are acidic or basic. So let us today, in today's class, let us understand how the remaining two natural indicators such as turmeric and china rose can be used to test whether the given substance is acidic or basic. So turmeric is another one of the important natural indicator. So how can we use the turmeric as an indicator? So here is the process given. So what you need to do is you have to take some 1 spoonful of turmeric powder. Okay. So add a very little amount of water to it and make it a paste. Yes. So you have done usually in functions you are making it as a paste. Okay. So in the same manner you have to make it a paste. Now what you need to do is you make the turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on a blotting paper or a filter paper. Okay. So in this when I'm doing some experiment, I explain see the sedimentation decantation experiment. When I am explaining at that time, I shown you the filter paper. Okay, it's very thin. So take this paste of turmeric and just apply with your help of your hand on the filter paper. You just apply that all the turmeric paste on the around the filter paper on it. Okay, so and leave it for some time and let it dry for some time. So after it get dried, so what you need to do is you have to make it small strips of paper. Okay, cut them. So cut thin strips of this filter paper and you will get a yellow paper. Okay, it turns into yellow paper, strips of paper like a litmus paper. It turns into what? A yellow kind colored paper. Okay, so this we call it as strip of turmeric paper also we can call it. Okay, so what we do with this turmeric paper? So it's very simple. Okay, now let's go for some simple actions. What are those? So when some functions are going on in your home, so at that time you are making the paste. No, at the same paper, at the same time, in the similar manner you can make the greeting card. Okay, so by using you can up dry different types of colors. Okay, how it is? So look at here. So you can prepare a greeting card for your mother or any brother, sister, or whatever it is on her birthday. So by applying turmeric paste on a sheet of plain white paper. Okay, take one white paper and apply turmeric paste on it. Okay, and you let it dry for some time. Now what you do is dry a beautiful flower with a soap solution. Keep it in mind. Take soap solution. Okay, make a soap solution. Take one any kind of stick, wooden stick, and put some around it. You put at one end put the some cotton piece. Okay, so dip into the soap solution. Now it's a soap solution. You dip it into it and draw any kinds of flowers or designs on a sheet of paper which is put with the what? Turmeric powder. Okay, when you dry it, it turns into what? Reddish color, because you know that turmeric always the blue color changes into red, means what? It's a acidic. So soap solution is what? It's a basic. So when it is put on a what? Turmeric, it is going to turn into reddish. Okay, so this is what you will see here. So similarly different types of examples are given here. Yes, what is that table? Look at it here. Test solution is given on one table on one side. Another side what they have given is what is the effect on turmeric solution. Okay, so see, lemon juice. Okay, dip the paper strip of turmeric paper on a lemon juice. Does it change into blue or red? Tell me. Yes, it changes into, yes, which color? It changes into red color. So now, and look, go for the orange juice. Yes, it is a acidic, so it turns into reddish color. Vinegar, milk of magnesia, like that. Lime water, sugar, common salt, there are different kinds of solutions are there. So dip this turmeric paper in these solutions, and what is the effect on turmeric solution? It turns into red, it turns into blue, it turns into red, it turns to blue, like that. You have to go on writing the what is the effect in this column, and finally what you need to write? Remarks column you have to write the given solution is acidic. For example, lemon juice, so effect is it turns into red color, so it is acidic. So next, orange juice turns into red, so remarks is acidic. Like that you have to go on explaining. So go on giving the result inference for each kind of solution by dipping the turmeric paper into the given solutions. So next one is one more natural indicator we are going to study, that is what? China rose indicator. It's also simple flower by using which we can make the indicator. Okay, we can use it as an indicator. Okay, how it is so collect some what China rose petals you have to collect here, and you have to place them in a beaker. Okay, put those all the petals of the China rose flower in a beaker and add some warm water into that. After putting this petals into the water, add some warm water into it. Okay, what happens there? Keep the mixture for some time till the water becomes colored. So you have to keep as it is, this beaker with the petals, China rose petals, with warm water for some time, so till the whole water becomes reddish or colored. Why? Because the China rose petal turns into reddish color, right? So use the colored water as an indicator. Now what that colored water it is turned no completely, so this you can use it as a indicator. So add few drops of indicator to each of the solution given here. Okay, already in this previous class I given the list of different solutions, so such as lemon juice, orange juice, okay, vinegar, milk of magnesia, baking soda, soap solution, detergent solution, powder solution, tap water solution, sugar solution, salt solution. All these, in all these solutions add some amount of this liquid indicator to each of them and check what is the effect of this indicator as what China rose indicator on these given solutions, whether it is going to confirm that the given solution is acidic, basic or neutral solutions. So China rose indicator, so it turns into acidic solutions to dark pink. Now see, suppose the China rose indicator is added to any solution which is acidic, then the color changes into, it turns the acidic solution into which color? Dark pink color. If any solution turns into dark pink color or magenta color, then the given solution is what? Acidic. Like that you have to decide. So if the basic solution is there, then the given solution turns into what? Green color after adding China rose which is dissolved in the water. No, so that is a solution. So if that solution is added to any basic solution, it turns into green color. So here you can look at it here. Table number 5.4. Look at here. Test solution is given here. Shampoo, lemon juice, then soda water, sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, vinegar, sugar solution and common salt solution. All the test solution are given here. Okay, here initial color and final color. Here it's simple. Initially, what is the color of the shampoo? It's light blue color, whatever it is. After adding China rose color, if it turns into which color? That is magenta or dark pink color. So like that for each solution you can make a note of it here. Okay, so finally after what is the effect of this all China rose indicator on acidic basic solutions, that you have to write down in the given table. Here it is given. So name of the acid, suppose dilute hydrochloric acid is there. What you see finally, what confirm we are going to coming to what we are going to apply all kinds of what acidic natural indicators here. Suppose hydrochloric acid I have taken. So what is the effect of hydrochloric acid by adding the litmus paper blue and litmus paper red? You have to write here in this column. So what is the effect of the hydrochloric acid by adding the turmeric powder or a turmeric paper in this solution? You have to write it here. What is the effect of the China rose solution in this hydrochloric acid? So all you have to enter into the column here. So here one more thing we can come to a conclusion here. See, suppose you are wearing any white shirt. Okay, some turmeric stain falls on your white shirt, so automatically it turns into red color when you go give it for what? Washing. When your mother washes your white shirt, so earlier only white that white shirt is there, you have put the turmeric stain is put on that. It is by mistake it has fallen on that. So when you give that shirt for washing at the time, so after washing with the soap solution, detergent solution, that white shirt changes into red color. Why it is so? It is because the soap solution is basic. So after adding the what? The solution here, the turmeric changes the soap solution is which is basic turns into reddish color. So that's what, because of that the shirt is changed into that different color here. So here one, it is activity that you have studied now. Okay, so coffee is brown and bitter in taste. Is it an acid or a base? Don't give the answer without any test. You are in the dark wine with its taste. Okay, so here different types of activities is given. So here you are asked to find out the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These are all different kinds of acids and bases. So you have to check these all solutions by adding the litmus paper, whether they are given solution is acidic or basic, then turmeric paper, and even what Chennaro's indicator. By these all indicators you can check whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Dear students, I hope you have understood these concepts. So in tomorrow's class, let us learn about the remaining concept. Thank you and have a nice day.